Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a day in my life at Zoom University. I normally attend Arizona State University, but right now everything's online, so it's Zoom University. I'm a journalism major at Walter Cronkite School of Journalism and Mass Communication. My first class is at 7:30. I get out of bed at like 7:29 to log in, and it's journalism videography, which as you can imagine is an absolute mess online. We're supposed to check out cameras, do all our own interviews and everything, and we can't do that anymore, so right now it's just a lot of editing online. I do enjoy this class though because it's taught me a lot of things that YouTube hasn't taught me. Like in YouTube, I put about 1 million jump cuts in each of my videos, and if I put one jump cut, I get like a D in this class. So no jump cuts, but I'm still gonna jump cut. And I think this is the only class that I can actually pay attention in, even though I'm really tired and I just turn my camera off because I eat and look like an absolute mess. And here's a quick look at my makeup routine since my skin has cleared up. I remember in my last morning routine video, I said that my skin was an absolute mess, and since leaving school, my skin is actually really, really nice. My second class is my news reporting and writing class, 100% the hardest class I've ever taken because I'm supposed to get stories published with real life newspapers that are like professional adults and everything. It's really hard, it's really intimidating, and it's supposed to teach me how to deal with editors and like grow up and stuff, but I actually don't even want to be a writer, so it's not fun, and I literally cannot pay attention in this class whatsoever. I move spaces about 500 times a day. I just didn't move today because I didn't want to move my camera.
Colin, I need to...
Oh yeah, it's a plant. This is my second breakfast.
Okay. So?
Hello, so I'm out of my first two classes. This is my attempt at being cute and productive today. I'm gonna go on a walk and maybe take some Instagram photos. My neighbor's garage is open. I feel like they're gonna hear me, so maybe I'm gonna finish this later. This little tray is cute, but I'm at a park and there's like people everywhere. I don't know where to put my phone, but I'm gonna try anyway. Okay, it's balancing on my tripod. Wow, this is a double tripod. So I was carrying my tripod just like this, just in my hand. And this little bit screws into the bottom of my camera, and then it just latches into my tripod. It started to come unscrewed. I didn't think anything of it. I just saw my camera bobbing, and I was like, that's fine. This is fine, whatever. And then it became completely unlatched, and I saw my whole YouTube career flash before my eyes, but I had my camera strap around my arm. But now I'm having a heart attack. But anyways, I just spent like 20-30 minutes taking self-timer photos. Somehow every neighbor in this whole neighborhood was outside today, which is kind of nice, but also like, keep your distance. There's literally more. Okay. There's so many people outside today, but it was really fun. Kind of satisfying being able to set up both the shot and the model, even though it's literally just for Instagram, but I'm gonna practice editing with these. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Comes the sun. Do, do, do. So as you probably saw, I don't get to talk that much during class in the morning. I don't think I mentioned it that much, but I live with my boyfriend. I also just want to mention that so you guys don't think I'm like going out all the time to see him. We do live together, so I'm not really seeing anyone I don't live with. But my classes start at 7:30. He's usually still sleeping, and there's other people in the house who have calls and classes that they have to go to, so there's nowhere in the house that I can go where I'm not in earshot of someone else, or like they're in earshot of me, where we'd like talk over each other's calls and stuff. And I don't want to go outside. So for the most part, I keep myself muted and I type in the chat if I need to talk to my teachers, and I just keep it really dark. Obviously, it's not optimized for everyone, but like people are making the best of the situation. I don't really talk in the morning, but for my last class, I can talk as much as I want because everyone's up and everyone else is done with their classes and their work. Respect the drip. Oh my god, I'm so cute. Look at me. She's my favorite. Let's try Lise. Actually, Billy's my favorite, but I don't know where he is. But that's me. Time for some online Spanish with my quesadilla.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. I'm not doing my Spanish homework. And my last class of the day is Multimedia Journalism. I like my professor, so it's kind of fun, but this class is really redundant because I do videography and writing, which I already do in all my other classes, and I do a little bit of podcasting and photo editing and stuff, but redundant. And after that, I was so tired, I just played Animal Crossing, ate another quesadilla, and fell asleep. Thanks for watching, bye.